In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use quick sign-in here on Roblox for PS4, PS5, or Xbox Series X or S. Before we dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, but the first thing that you're going to want to do is actually open up Roblox on your console. When you actually launch Roblox for the first time, you're going to be asked to either create an account or sign in. Go ahead and select sign in. From here, it's going to have a QR code right here. You're going to want to scan this with your phone to log in, or in the bottom right, you're going to have this option for a quick sign in. Simply go ahead and put in that code on your phone within the Roblox app, because down there, if you tap more in the bottom right menu, there's also going to be a quick login option. It'll have you follow a few prompts, and within seconds, your Roblox account is now going to be signed in to your console. But that's it. It really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. But before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. We'd greatly appreciate it. It genuinely does help with the channel. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.